Over here, this is pretty interesting, Dan. We've got, I don't know what they are. That looks like a shower mat to me, and maybe a ramp.
Well, you're close. So these are called transition ramps or threshold ramps. And these will typically go, if you've ever seen a front or back door, there's always that threshold lip that's about an inch and a quarter.
Sure.
That's super difficult for somebody in a wheelchair to navigate over.
Right.
So any little floor transition or any door threshold, very hard for somebody in a wheelchair to get over, or even anybody using a wheeled device like a walker, or a rollator. These make life a lot easier for them because they can just kind of ramp up and over.
And I love that these actually come in different colors, so like aesthetically, like they can kind of have them kind of blend in with your home.
Right, so these are
neat.
Are basically made to look like a doormat.
Yeah,
right. And
that's
you can see a couple of different materials here. So the aluminum is great. It's usually used on the outside. It's maintenance free. You'll see this one. You were close. So this is a ramp for a shower threshold. So this is a light plastic. You can pick it up. You could wash it off. Very durable. And then a lot of the rubber ramps are just kind of low profile.
I mean, it actually looks like a doormat. I wouldn't even know that it's, if you